It's Apocabox time. It's actually past Apocabox time, but I'm trying to get caught up. This video, we're going to take a look at the June 2020 Apocabox. That's what's coming up next here on Survival on Purpose. This video is sponsored by the folks at Surviveware. Surviveware makes the best, most organized first aid kits I've ever seen. From their small personal size to their larger first aid kit that's perfect for families and groups. They even have a survival first aid kit with added survival gear, just in case. And they recently came out with what I think is the world's first IPX7 waterproof soft first aid kit. You can save 10% on your Surviveware kit by using the coupon code PURPOSE10 at checkout. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose, your home for trustworthy information and gear reviews related to camping, survival, and general preparedness for regular folks. My name's Brian. Thanks for joining me here in the waning daylight hours, mid-July now, and we're doing June Apocabox. So I'm trying to get caught up, so I'll try not to blast through this too quickly, but the sun is going down and I am trying to get done. So this is the June Apocabox, and if you're not familiar with Apocabox, it is a subscription box service. Every other month they'll send you a box full of pretty cool stuff. And as I say this every time, but Apocabox, in my opinion, is not so much based on getting like so much stuff at a discount as it is having some really cool, unusual stuff, and it's really a skill-based box. So having said that, let's get to the chase here. So the first item that we're going to look at is, we'll just go with whatever we find here. So this is a skill challenge. It's a cedar toss game. It's a throwback game that'll test your hand-eye coordination and your carving skills. So this is a bonus project that they like to put these projects in here every month. So, and it's got some instructions on back. So that's pretty cool. So there's the cedar toss game. But to carve this thing, you need a knife, and they've included an MAM Operario MAM Operario pocket knife. This is from Portugal. And it's a kind of a little liner lock style, just a really wooden knife, been making it for over 100 years. So kind of the same kind of deal as an open nail, but let's see this thing. It's stinking sharp, so I'll give it that. It's going to be good for all sorts of little carving projects. Then there's a fewer stock stole, and this is basically the seat for a camp chair, and that's part of the project, just how to make this camp chair. So that's pretty cool. That's one of your projects. Like I said, they are really focused on skills and unusual stuff. They have a fewer stock DIY Ferro Rod Kit. Let's see. Man, I got a lot of stuff in here. They also, just to show you, they pack the packing in with newspaper, shredded newspaper, and this month it really turned up to be kind of messy. So sometimes it's messier than others. So here, I believe, is the DIY Ferro Rod Kit. You got a handle blank, and there's some hard packed resin pucks to glue it in when you drill it. It's got a hole in it, so you just put it in there. You can use it like it is too. It's got a 1/2 inch by 6 ferro rod, which is pretty cool too. So you don't have to make the handle. You can use the ferro rod, but that's always pretty cool. Then there's a Lightfoot bow drill kit. I think this is really cool because if you've seen any of my bow drill videos, you know that I have not been as successful as I would like to be. So this is a way that absolutely you can kind of get started. And it's kind of like a training wheels for bow drill, which I think is a cool idea. It's even got some little ball bearings in here for your bearing blocks. So that's pretty cool. And then what else do we have? Oh, we have one more really, really cool thing too. So this month, or this, I guess, yeah, the June edition was extremely project heavy. So we've got one more project, and it's a Flint Knife Kit, which, man, that's really cool. So again, we've got some like some kind of cordage to wrap this thing up. Some more resin chips, which are pretty cool. This is maybe, it's like glue sticks, I don't know. It's got a handle you can carve out, and it's got a piece of flint. I don't want to get it broken here, but yeah, it's got a little padding on the end here and kind of an edge here. So you could either maybe chip that out some more if you wanted to, or you could just use it like it is. So pretty cool there. A Flint Knife Kit. And as always, there's also instructions on the website. There's a link to instructions on how to, kind of, some guidance to putting these kits together. So I think this is a pretty cool kit this month. It's really project heavy. You got the bow drill, the flint knife, the the chair, the camp chair that you use, like you put 3 sticks in it, basically like a little tripod. You've got the Ferro. I've been rushing so hard my brain hadn't caught up yet. And then you got the cedar toss game. So pretty cool there. So anyway, that is the June 2020 Apocabox, and I think Creek Stewart has done a really good job this month with this box. I'm really happy with this one. I think these things are like 60 bucks or so. So I think that if you're interested in skills and projects and doing things like that and making things with your hand, this is pretty cool. So anyway, thanks again to the folks at Apocabox for sending me these every other month so I can show them to you. As always, thank you for watching Survival on Purpose. I put out a new video every Friday and Saturday, and sometimes random videos throughout the week. If you want to support the channel financially, I invite you to go to patreon.com/survivalonpurpose, where you have a little more access to me because it's really getting hard for me to answer all the comments. And every month we're going to be doing a live stream so we can interact sort of live on the computer. So anyway, I really appreciate your support. Once again, my name is Brian. You're watching Survival on Purpose. Remember, survival's not an accident. So be prepared. I'll see you next time.